In a family with 4 children, 3 were found to have normal skin pigmentation, while 1 was an albino. Using capital letter A to represent the gene for normal skin pigmentation and small letter a to represent the gene for albinism, work out the genotype of Roman 1, normal pigmentation, Roman 2, the albino child, and Roman 3, genotype of normal pigment children.
Normal children are capital A and small letter a and double capital A. Genotype of the albino child is double small letter a.
Genetics is the study of inheritance of characteristics or the study of transmission of characteristics or traits from the parents to the offsprings. The cell with the cell nucleus is the observable genetic material known as the chromosomes. In body cells, chromosomes are found in pairs, that is, half from the female parent and half from the male parent.
Chromosomes. These are thread-like structures found in the nucleus of the cell, and they contain the genetic material responsible for inheritance. They form the physical basis of inheritance since their structure can be observed under high-power microscope. Each chromosome is made up of 2 longitudinal strands called the chromatids. Each chromatid has a double helical DNA molecule. The 2 chromatodes are held together by a structure called the centromere. During cell division, the spindle fibers are attached to the centromeres. The chromosomes are present in pairs. The pairs are called the homologous pairs. Into brackets, they must be similar in structure and also have the same chemical composition. A species will always have the same number of chromosomes.
This is called the chromosome number, and it will always be an even number. This number is called the diploid number. During gamete formation, the homologous chromosomes separate and the gametes will only have the number of chromosomes. This number is called the diploid number. Thus, the somatic or the vegetative cell of an organism are diploid and the gametes are haploid. Number of chromosomes per cell nucleus varies from species to species.
In man, there are 46 chromosomes per nucleus, that is 23 pairs, of somatic cells and 23 chromosomes in the gametes. DNA is the chemical compound responsible for inheritance of characters. DNA is one of the nucleic acids and the other is RNA. In full, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, into brackets, less oxygen. RNA means ribonucleic acid, into brackets, more oxygen. Both are similar in composition but different in structure. Chemical composition of DNA contains a 5-carbon sugar, into brackets, ribose sugar, in its structure and therefore has 5 corners.
It has a nucleic acid. An example is the phosphoric acid nitrogen or organic base is also present. There are 4 types, namely 1. Adenine, 2. Thymine, 3. Cytosine, 4. Guanine.
In both DNA and RNA, adenine, cytosine, and guanine are found. Thymine is found in DNA, while uracil is found in RNA.
We proceed to the next question.